Hey everyone, Randy coming back at you, Carolina Picker, and today I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks that I've learned on eBay that maybe you've already implemented, maybe you haven't, maybe you didn't even know about them, maybe you knew about them and don't want to use them. But anyway, let's go over them and see if we can make your life a little easier on eBay. One good tip is if you use advertising, if you use paid listings, promoted listings, I should say, you can come under your marketing tab, just click on marketing, and under advertising, click on dashboard. And over here on dashboard, you can see that I've actually got a campaign set up continuously forever. It's just an automatic campaign. But the way you do that is you click on create new campaign, and you want to come under automated here. You don't want simple or bulk. You want to go under automated. This is pay per click over here, and you certainly don't want to do pay per click because then you're going to end up paying more than you should. Every time somebody clicks on it, you'll pay. So come under automated, click on create campaign. You can name your campaign here. And then you want a start date and you want to do continuous, or you can end it if you like. You can say only do it for 30 to the 30th or whatever the case may be. You can click on all categories. You can find items from one price to the other, conditions, things like that. And once you've done that, you want to set a automated suggested ad rates. Now, what I like to do is set a maximum ad rate. Now, this is the maximum you're willing to pay. So I like to set mine to 15%. Adjusted rate. You want to click that little box as well, and I want to adjust it 3% above the suggested percentage that they say. Okay, so that's what I do, but you'll pay no more than 15%. And then you want to just click on launch, and that will launch your promoted listings, and all of your listings will begin to be promoted. Another tip is trick is to find out what position you are in, or rank, I should say, in overall eBay. And you can do that by coming under performance, clicking on performance, and then click on traffic over here. And once you click on traffic, click over here on download listings quality report, and it will prepare a download for you. And once that's downloaded and you save it, you can actually open that list up, and you can see your position in various, I'm just letting it open over here on my other monitor. You can see your position in various sections of eBay. For example, if I want to see where I'm at in DVDs, I can see that I am 457 out of 74,000 people. So that's pretty good. It'll also give you listings that can be improved, and you can see all the CDs and stuff like that, DVDs there. If I come under men's clothes, I'm number 766 out of 86,454 sellers in that category. Women's clothes, I'm number 685 out of 131,187. And you'll see that for shirts, I am number 126 out of 41,898 sellers, and so on. So this will give you a good indication on where you're at. Like my digital cameras, I'm number 150 out of 16,281 sellers. So looking at this report here will tell you where you stand in eBay and how your listings are being shown to other buyers. Another thing you can do as a trick or tip here is if you ever need to see all of your previous shipping labels, just go hover over orders and come down to shipping labels, and that'll bring up each and every shipping label and what you paid for each shipping label. It'll bring up the tracking number, and it'll tell you if it's been delivered or if it's still in transit or whatever the case may be, and that will help you be able to find exactly a shipping label that you've used in the past. Another little tip is that if you have a store, if you're paying for a store, you really should have a header at the top of your store. You can see ours is lots of deals, and I've got our domain name in there, which also links back to our store. You couldn't do that if it linked outside of eBay, but since it links back to eBay, we do that. And we've got a little logo down here as well. So to change your header or add a header, what you do is just click on this little button here and click on Design with Vista Create. That's going to bring you over here. If you don't already have an account, it'll ask you if you want to log in or sign up for a different account, and you can do that with just your Gmail. And then it's going to automatically bring you into eBay store billboards. And you can just scroll through all the different ones over here, or you can start from scratch and create your own. But let's say, for example, we wanted to use that one there. So we just click on that one, come over here, and then all you do is just kind of double click on it, and we can add a domain name down here or whatever. And you can change the images, you can move them around, however you want to do them. Get that out of the way here. Now we can move the cookies around. You know, you can do whatever. We can send it to the back. and make the letters come up over top of it. Just different things like that. So anyway, I'll let you learn how to use Vista Create, but you can use it for free, and you can create your headers. Once you do that, just click on download and it will download your header. Then you just come back over to eBay and you just put it in here by just telling it you want to replace it. If you need to edit your header, you can click edit there, and you can zoom in and out of it, zoom it in and out. You can change the brightness of it, however you want to do that, whatever. So that's how you create a store header and make it work for you. Another trick is if you've got something that you need to change on a lot of different listings. Let's say, for example, you've got several different clothes items or a pair of pants, let's say, that you want to change something on. You can just go through and click on those, come back up here and click on Edit Selected, and it'll open up a screen with all those that you selected in here. And now you can go through and you can change whatever you need to add to it. You can add custom labels to each one. You can change the available quantity. You can change the buy it now price. You can change how you're shipping it. If we scroll across through here, you can see that we can change all kinds of different things about those particular jeans. If you click on that and do bulk edit, you can also do an auto relist, available quantity, buy it now price, offers. You can change how you ship it. You can change the category it's in, the locations, listing. You can just do all kinds of things. So just remember that you're able to do bulk edits by doing that without having to go through one item at a time. So there you have it. Hopefully these tips and tricks will help you out and you got some enjoyment out of them. Hey, if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and click that little bell if you haven't already, as I put out 2 new videos each and every week about eBay, about reselling, and about thrifting, and just all kinds of different things like that. So if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and click that little bell. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, God bless, and I'll see each and every one of you on the flip side.